In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello tasks with AI. By the end, you'll be able to add a new card to a board and use Trello's built-in writing assistant to generate a clear, polished description for it. Start by heading to Trello in your browser and opening the workspace where you manage your projects. From the Trello homepage, go to your boards view so you can see all the boards you have access to. Pick the board that makes the most sense for this task, maybe a personal productivity board or a reading list, and click to open it. Choosing the right board up front helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. Once your board is open, look at the list where this task belongs and click Add Card. In the card title, type Reading Books. Short, action-oriented names work best because they make scanning your board fast and intuitive. Press Enter, then click the new Reading Books card to open it. Inside the card, move to the description section. This is where we'll let AI do the heavy lifting. Click into the description area to activate it and then open the writing assistant. You'll see a prompt box where you can tell the assistant what you want. Type a simple instruction like, create a description for reading books. If you want a particular tone or structure, such as a brief objective followed by a few key outcomes, mention it here. The clearer the prompt, the better the results. Give the assistant a moment to generate the text. Review what it suggests, making sure it matches your intent for this card. If something feels off, adjust your prompt or make quick edits directly in the draft. When you're happy with the result, click Insert to place the generated text into the description field. Now finalize it by clicking Save. Saving locks in the description and makes it visible to anyone collaborating on the board. If you ever need to refine it, you can reopen the description, tweak the text, and save again. AI is great for getting you from a blank page to a solid first draft, and your final edits give it the personal touch. That's it. You've created a new Trello card, used the writing assistant to draft a helpful description, inserted the content, and saved your changes. Repeat this process for any task where a clear description will help, planning, research, or learning goals, and your board will stay consistent, organized, and easy to work from.